yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the island hookup. You know you tourists go to the islands, okay, and then leave babies behind. That's how I got here. All right, so we start off with some spice rum. Dad, where are you? Okay, you need to call me sometime. Luxardo, okay, maraschino liqueur. All right, and then we squeeze in some lime juice. Beautiful. And then next up, this one's difficult to pronounce, Falernum, okay? That's a syrup with a bunch of spices and stuff in it. Some passion fruit, shake, shake, shake. Strain that into a glass, okay? Garnish, a little pineapple slice. Put some cherries on a stick. Stick that bad boy in there, because you know that's how you have babies, losing the cherry and stuff like that, okay? That's how I ended up here. All right, anyway. And there you have it, all right? Delicious drink, real fun, awesome stuff, man. Good to go. Oh yeah, love it. Okay, and you can take a sip of this. She's Russian, okay? So now she's experiencing the islands, okay? See that? She's in love now, okay? You win them over with these island drinks, homeboy. Leave babies behind. Time for an island hookup. Later.